I'm Samantha Rain, the development chef here at Henley Bridge, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a vegan-friendly mayonnaise. For all the tools and ingredients used in this video, please refer to the description section. To make the mayonnaise, we're going to be using Natur Emul as our emulsifier, the potato whip to add protein and stability, and the beetroot powder to give us maximum flavour. So let's start by weighing out all of our ingredients. In our first jug, we're going to weigh our garlic oil, sunflower oil, Natur Emul, potato whip and salt. In our other jug, the beetroot juice and beetroot powder. Next, we're going to blend together our oils and our powders to make sure they're fully dissolved. Now that those are fully combined, what we're going to do is start blending the beetroot juice, and we're going to start slowly adding the oil to the mixture to emulsify. That's it. Got a great colour, beautiful shine. We're going to pop this in the fridge until we're ready to serve.